If you don't have a tracker blocker, you are probably being tracked online for marketing purposes, even at this moment. But you can get more security and privacy online with the Add-in Tracker Blocker from NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro. Let's kick off by explaining web tracking. Websites often host many third-party trackers that are like digital detectives. They can follow you around the web, watching everything you do, how you do it, and when. That way, these intrusive trackers build an accurate profile of you and your online habits. All that effort comes with serious risks, like your data becoming a tool to target you with malicious ads. But all that can be avoided with the Add-in Tracker Blocker from NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro. Open the NordVPN app, click the shield icon, and turn on the Add-in Tracker Blocker. Threat Protection Pro will make you safer from malicious ads and block online trackers from collecting data which later could be used to serve you higher prices online based on your browsing patterns. If you block trackers, your shopping and spending habits will be harder to track. But that's not all. NordVPN's Threat Protection Pro is certified in fake shop detection, so you can be sure you will be notified about known fake and malicious online shops. So go ahead, stop intrusive tracking with Threat Protection Pro and stay safer online.